Let me repeat that. I love shoes, especially running shoes. So Nike came out with these new shoes, the Lunar Epic Low Flyknit running shoes. They're $160. Ridiculous, right? So I'm like, if they're $160, they have to be really comfortable. So I decided to look around, shop around. I went to Nike.com. They didn't have them, right? They didn't have. I mean, they had them, but they were $160. I'm not gonna pay $160. So I was on Foot Locker. They had them, but they weren't on sale. And then I was on FinishLine.com, and here they are, $160. But it has this little red thing that says "See price and cart." So what did I do? I added it onto my cart to check out how much the price was, right? And here is the sale price. $139.98. Okay, now, my question to you is this a good sale? Yes. You guys say yes? Now, in order to determine if it's a good sale, you probably want to know the percent off, right? Now, if you got 20% off, okay, that's decent. Anything less than 20% off is really not that great of a deal. I mean, remember, you're paying taxes that are 7.5%, right? So, I mean, 10%, that's barely covering taxes. So in order for you to consider something a decent sale, you'd have to say at least 20% off. That's what I'm saying. So the original price on this guy, what's the original price? $160, okay? And the new price is $139.98. Let's just say $140 to keep it a little simple. All right, so $140. So what was the actual discount? That's a $20 discount. $20. Who doesn't like to save $20? Anyway, let's find out what percent off this really is. What kind of sale is this? What percent off is this really? So how are we going to do that? We're going to go back to the is over of equals percent over 100. Now, I'm saying what percent off. I want to know what kind of deal I'm getting. So I'm going to put an X up here on the percent spot, and I'm going to put it over 100. Okay? So the original price was $160, and we said that the discount was $20. Okay, so how are we going to do this? You guys have calculators, and we all know that we could cancel out zeros, and we all know that we could even simplify the 2 over 16 to become 1 over 8. So what kind of equation would I get? Cross multiplying. Say again? 8x equals 100. And then what? Divide by 8. And divide by 8. And calculator, guys? X equals 12.5. 12.5%. That's the discount, guys. That's sorry, right? Did I buy them?
Maybe.
Hello. Okay, so yeah, pretty much I got ripped off. Especially because when I put them on the cart and I checked out, they gave me a $10 shipping fee. Yeah. So. Well, no, but that was now. Back when I did it, it was So, anyways, yeah, this one it does say free shipping on here. Liars. Free shipping right there. Okay, well, anyway, that's that real life problem. So companies are going to use math to rip you off. Companies are going to use... Have you guys seen these signs?
Yeah.
Buy one, get one, 50%. They're all over the place. Now, what I want to ask you is, what are they really saying? What's their real sale? You have to buy one at regular price to get the other one at half off. Why do companies do this? Because they see 50% off. Well, they see 50% off. They see 50% off, and they know that everybody knows what 50% off. That's half off, right? So let's go back to the shoes. You want to buy some $100 shoes. Now, if you wanted to buy 2 of them, you'd really be spending $200. So your original price would be $200 if you wanted to buy 2 pairs of $100 shoes. Yay? Okay, now if they give you the second pair for 50% off, how much are you going to save? 50 bucks. So the discount is $50. The discount. Count. All right. Or I could have said that the original price was $200 and the new price is $150. But either way, you'd have to figure out what that discount is. The discount really is $50 of $200. So if we go back to our is over of, and you say $50 of 200, and you're thinking about what the actual percent that you're saving of 100 is, let's cancel out zeros and even reduce 50 over 20. It becomes 1 over 4. And if you cross multiply, you're going to have 1 times 100 equals 4 times x. So you're going to have 4x equals 100. So what does x equal? 25. So ladies and gentlemen, the stores are smart. They put this 50% off, buy one, get one 50% off, because that's a lot more appealing than 25% off. That's what you're really getting. You're really getting a 25% off sale. So you're not getting a 50% off sale, you're getting a 25% off sale. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. So, I mean, 50% off sounds great, yeah? Mm-hmm. But it's really not 50%, it's 25. What sounds better than 50% off?
60.
Free, right? Absolutely. Free sounds better than 50% off. So again, here's companies using more math to trick you, right? Buy 3, get 1 free, right? They love that free word right there. Over here, buy 3 tires, get 1 free. Over here, buy 3, what is this, toothpaste? Or I don't know, this is like for pain, medication, whatever. Buy 3, get 1 free, right? What's the actual discount that you're getting when you buy 3 and get 1 free? So if you wanted to buy 3 of some, okay, let's think this. The only way this makes sense, buy 3, get 1 free, is if you wanted to buy 4 of them, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's say you bought 4 items, and let's say they were, how much? Let's say the tires. Yeah, let's say the tires. Let's say they're $25 a tire, even though they're way more expensive than $25 a tire. So let's say I wanted to buy 4 tires. And let's say they're at $25 each. So how much is the total price? If I were to buy 4 tires at $25 each? $100. Now this is way cheaper than what a tire actually costs, right? It's more like $100 each tire. But just to make it a little more understandable, 4 tires at $25 each is $100. Now what they're saying is buy 3, get 1 free. So we want to know how much the percentage discount really is off of the total. So when you say buy 3, get 1 free, you're really going to be getting a discount of how much? $25, right? The discount is $25. Because if you're buying at $25 each and you get 1 free, the discount's $25. So when you think about what the percent off is, if your discount is 25, your discount's 25 over the original total cost of 4 tires, 100, equals what percent, you don't know, over 100. And that's already done for you. You could clearly see that 100 is 100, so this has to be 25 in order for it to be equal. So when they say buy 3, get 1 free, it's really only a 25% off discount. So it's nowhere near free. It's really just a 25% off sale. I mean, and seriously, how many people actually need 4 tubes of painkiller?
You never know.
You never know. Okay. Well, I guess I wanted to relate this homework to real life, and hopefully I did that. Okay guys, let's jump to the bottom of the worksheet. Let's do number 22. We want to buy a TV that's $375 originally, and it's on sale, it's 25% off. Let's say your old TV broke, so that's a great opportunity right there. Let's say sales tax is 6%. Maybe you're buying this TV in Arizona or some other state other than here. So what are we going to do with the calculator? You're going to type in 375, and you're first going to want to find the discount right? How much are you actually saving? So you're going to multiply it by 25%, but remember your calculator does decimals, not percents. So convert the percent to a decimal, and that'll be 0.25. And this will be the discount. So go ahead and go 3.75 times 0.25. What do we get?
93.75.
We get 93?
Yeah, 0.75.
0.75?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our discount. This is what we get to subtract from the original price. So the original price is $375. Let's write that down. We have $375, and we're going to take away the 93.75. Calculator, please help me out. Okay.
281.25.
You get 281.25. So that's our new sale price. This price went from a almost $400 TV down to almost $300 TV. Sounds like a pretty good deal so far. Now we need taxes included. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply the 2.81.25 by the 6%, but as a decimal, it's going to be 0.06. However, don't do it yet. I want to put 0.06, but if you want the total final price of the discounted item, including your new sale, you're going to put a 1 in front of this. That way it'll include the $281.25. So what do we get? 298.125. So the 5 will change the 2 to a 3, so it's $298.13. Okay, so here's a question number 26 that you guys want to see. It says that a customer of a utility company received notices that their monthly bill, that heating costs for their average customer had increased 125% over last year because of an unusual severe winter. That doesn't happen here in El Centro. In January of last year, the Garcias paid $120 for heating. So what was the original payment? Anybody?
120.
120? Okay. And now, what other info do they give us? They give us that $125 is going to increase. I mean, not $125. It's going to increase by 125%. So it's going to give you a percent increase. Increase percent of 125%. So we know to use the proportion is over of equals percent over 100. Okay. So right here it says 125%. So it's going to be 125 over 100. Okay. Now what's the original price? It's 120. And we're looking for the new price, right? So we set it up. All we got to do is cross multiply. So you can go x times 100. That's 100x. You're going to go 120 times 125. What's that? So 120 times 125 is, you guys said 15,000? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, now we're going to divide by 100. Divide by 100. That's going to cancel out 2 zeros. So you really have $150, which is the increase, right? That's the increase. So what bill should they expect? It says, what should they expect? Well, they had the 120, but it's going to increase by 150. So you are going to have a new bill of $270.